In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a good looking logo for your gaming YouTube channel as a beginner. So it doesn't matter if you have any experience, you can easily create your own logo and this will actually look very professional and nice in my opinion. So what you want to do, you want to go to a website that's called Canva. Now once you're on this website, you want to click on Create Design at the top right corner, click on Custom Dimensions and then choose a size. So I always go with 1440 by 1440, which is a square, and that's a good size for your YouTube logo. So what's going to happen is they're basically going to create a project for you, and what you can do next is click on templates at the top left corner, and then you can click on search templates. Now if you then search for a logo and click right there on logo, you're going to find hundreds of templates that you can use, right? So as you can see right there, hundreds of logo templates that you can just use and customize for your YouTube channel. So what I recommend doing if you have a gaming channel is go to the gaming logo section right here and then click on see all. Now you don't have to do that. You can also choose any of these other ones, right? But if you click right there on games and scroll down, you'll find a ton of templates. Now, for example, this one looks pretty cool, right? So this actually looks very professional in my opinion. And then all you need to do is add your channel name, right? So whatever that may be, you can type it in right there. You can add a slogan or whatever right there. Gaming League is what they added right here. And this would then be your logo. Now you can use this, and all you need to do to download this is click on download at the top right corner, select the file type. I recommend choosing a JPEG if it's available. Click on download, and then it's going to prepare your design and it's going to download it. And if you then click on open, let's see if I did that right. Let's see, there you go. You would then have this logo. Now I just made this in like 2 minutes, right? And you can do this with lots of different templates on this website. So we have this one. You can also change these icons right here. You can change the name, you can change the color by simply clicking right here. You can then change the text color and all of that. So this is one of the best ways to make a logo for your YouTube gaming channel in my opinion, and it's very easy as well. It's free to use, so that's definitely something that you want to check out if you're looking to create a logo for your channel. So once again, go to Canva, search for logos at the template section. You can choose to go with gaming logo, and then you would find these, let's see, 10 different templates. You can then click on them and you can then start customizing them. You can change the text, you can change the size, you can change the fonts. You can pretty much customize literally anything on here, which is great. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can make a logo for your YouTube gaming channel. If this video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video and let me know in the comment section down below if it works and what kind of content you're looking to create. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.